Okay, an interesting one, yeah. Let's read it. Again, a very interesting question, and I'm pretty sure that by now you also have started getting the feel of it. Let's read the question. Find the least number which leaves remainder 1 when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, but is completely divisible by 7. Wow.
Completely divisible.
What is the difference between this question and the previous question, Varun, if I may ask you?
Find the least number. Okay,
So
fine. We can wait. At least we can take the multiples of 7 for trial and error.
you are going in a direction, but not exactly, I can say, not exactly in the right direction, but you're thinking in the right direction, that the multiples of 7 may satisfy this thing. But before the 7 thing comes into the picture, which is saying that 7 is completely divisible, the number which we need to take, which is completely divisible, first we need to make sense of the fact that when that number is divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, the remainder is always 1.
Okay.
Varun, you know the answer to this. You know, we have done enough and more number of questions by now.
21.
Okay, okay. No. See, I'm not asking you to predict the answer. I'm asking you to give me the steps. So first of all, give me the LCM of this thing.
Okay.
So it will be 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3. Again, by I'm taking 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3.
6.
3. 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, and then 5. So this is 1 altogether. This is 4 into 15. 4 into 15 comes out as 60.
See.
What is this 60, Varun?
LC.
Yeah, this is the LCM.
Okay.
No, this is the number. This is the number that should give me remainder of 1 when gets divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm not considering 7 as of now.
Okay. $60.
If I have to design a number, Varun, such that it should give me a remainder of 1, and the number obviously will be of this form, na? I am pretty sure you remember the fact n1 plus 1, n2 plus
2
1,
plus 1.
n3 plus 1. So can I not write it like 60 n plus 1? Let's see if I divide this by 4. If I get a 61 divided by 4, what is the remainder, Varun? Quickly tell me.
15 to 4, 61.
So remainder is 1, yeah, correct?
Yeah.
Varun, just focus on this number. What do you see about this number?
I'm sorry.
So I'm asking you to just focus on this number, 60n plus 1.
Okay.
What do you understand from the 60n plus 1? Is this not the number?
No,
Is
this
this
is not the number. No.
This has to be the number, Varun. Understand this, what I'm saying. All these numbers again clubbed into the LCM gives me one number, and that number also needs to leave a remainder of 1. So we have basically satisfied the case, 60n plus 1.
Okay.
This is the number. And the question says when this is divided by 7, it is completely divisible. The least number I will only get when I satisfy this n criteria.
Okay.
Substitute some values now, Varun, for n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Is 61 divisible by 7?
No.
So n equals to 1 doesn't satisfy. N equals to 2. 121. Think on it. Scribble.
Okay.
Scribble. I can give you the answer, but then I want you to scribble it a little bit.
No.
2 se bhi nahi jayega. This is going to be 121. Obviously doesn't go by 7. N by 3. 181.
181.
You can also use the seed method also to see if 181 goes by 7. But it is ideally feasible if you just look at it like this. So 7 2s are 14. You get a 41. So 42 would have satisfied my case. So even 3 doesn't work. So n equals to 4.
241.
This is 241. Again, I don't think 241 will go, but let's check anyways. So 7 3s are 21, and then 31 doesn't go. N equals to 5, Varun.
Yes.
301.
301. 28.
4s are 28
43,
to 1.
43, 43, 43.
Varun, the answer to this question would be then the least number I'm asking you.
Least number would be uh, 30 n plus 301. Okay, okay.
How 301? How 301?
Because yeah,
N equals to 5 satisfies.
yeah,
Can you divide, Varun, 301 by 2 and tell me the remainder? It will, now I think this will clear your answer. The remainder is?
one.
Yes. If you divide by any of these numbers, the remainder is going to be 1. But the moment you divide it by 7, it goes completely.
Yeah,
Makes
got
sense?
it. Yes,
Did you understand it? Yeah, okay.
yes, yes. Yeah, got it, got it.
Just tell me one thing, are you enjoying the questions or not?
I am.
Or you think that these are easy questions, school level
I don't
questions?
actually. I've never been through this kind of questions in my life.
Yeah, you should have.
You know, I my kind of preparation was more into arithmetic, and right now I'm getting a gist of like, even if I'm having doubt, I'm getting cleared that.
Yeah.
That's why I can sense like, okay, LCM. I might go rigorous. I might go for this number crunching. Like I might,
Yeah.
yeah,
I can.
yeah, but yeah, but I'm getting that. I'm getting to that point because
Yeah.
I know the way, but you know, some
Mm-hmm.
kind of.
I can get what you're saying. Okay, Varun. Now this is so basically, Varun, let me add to what you were saying.
Mhm.
These may not come in cat. Again, I am hypothesizing as if I know anything about the cat. Okay. This may not come in cat. Again, I should repeat myself. They may come in cat also. But the fact is that this is important.
See, this is important. I can get it because
Yes.
what if a easy prime factor question comes and
Yes.
I'm
And most importantly, you need to know about these things. Na?
yes, yes, this is kind of good.
6 months of robust preparation will make your brain into action.
That's it.
And only preparing arithmetic only, I don't think that is a good thing.
I want to be into my prime actually. That's why.
Yeah, everybody wants to be in their primes.
Yeah.
Na? Let's look into this one, Varun.
Find the largest three-digit number which leaves remainder 2 when divided by 14 or 15. 14 or
Varun,
35.
every time I look at this thing, na, every time I'm looking at 14 or 13, this making, arey yaar, why are they giving two numbers like this or? So basically, I would be very happy if they would have given me one number. How can I make it one number?
LCM
Yes.
13, 35 into 40.
So Varun, it is not going to be 35 into 14. It will be the tables of 35 that will satisfy 14 also. 35 into 2 is 70 and 14 5 is also 70. So this
Okay, fine.
actually should be 70. Ideally, I'm not sure. Yeah, 70 is the
Yeah,
LCM
right.
because yeah, the same idea, right? Now, Varun, here the question, regardless of LCM or HCF, I need to find a largest number. Okay, I started with LCM, lowest common multiple, but these buggers are asking me to find the largest, and that to 3-digit number, which leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by 14 or 35. Okay.
Wait. Remain okay. So three-digit number that
Hmm.
that leaves a remainder of 2. So 70 n plus 2 should
You're
be
going in a very good direction. You're going in a very good direction.
70 n plus 2 has to be
Let's say even if I'm not using any expression, I want to use a question mark. This should be equals to what? A 3-digit number, let's say ABC. Okay.
okay.
And this is, again, mind you, this is largest 3 digits number. Okay, I'm using this hashtag as a replacement for numbers. But remember, Varun, I need a remainder of 2 also.
See, 140, 142 is an answer.
No.
What?
Hold.
Okay.
Okay. Varun, what is the largest 3-digit number? No conditions. Largest 3-digit
Oh,
number.
larger tree. Okay, fine. That means towards 999 kind of. Okay.
Yes.
I was into the least.
Yes. Varun,
So
do you know that I'll help you a little bit. Ideally, you should have gave me the tables, but I know that 14 into 7s are 98. Okay.
yeah, 140
No,
into a 90.
14 7s are 98. Why am I doing 14 7 and all that? I'll tell you because I know that I want something in 70s into something a 3-digit number, and 7 into 14 is 98. If you look at 15 sevens is 105. So 15 sevens that means 70 into 15 is 1050, more than 3 digits. So
Yeah.
does not satisfy. So the largest 3-digit number with 70 I will get at this
98, 980. Yeah, right.
980. Now how exactly is this 980 coming? This is coming through 70 into 14.
Yes, 14 to 70.
But is this my answer? No.
No, no.
The answer has to be the answer has to also compensate for the fact that the remainder is 2.
Plus 2, 980 plus 2.
So this is in fact the answer, but I am not sure if I have been able to explain this thing to you.
I'll say. You know what?
Yeah.
Actually, till previous question, we were actually looking for the least number. If that was the least three-digit number, then I would say 142, because 70 into 2, 140 plus 2, 140.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But you were to
Absolutely perfect.
yeah, but you
You
were
got
to the
it.
highest number. That means towards the 980 is the
Yes.
highest three-digit number divisible by a 14 or 70
Yeah.
or 35. So
Or suppose if this idea is not striking my mind, what I will do is, I know from 990 till let's say 999, I will start looking at the numbers and see which one is divisible by 7, and then I will make do. But
no,
ideally I should know.
I took the approach like I took the calculator like towards I did 17 to 15, 16, and I got
Yeah.
140. So I
But
was about 1000.
But Varun, I think I would say, because we are practicing, and I'll give you the answer. So don't use a
Okay.
calculator,
Mhm.
because that is the calculator is great and all, but for tests. But for this classes, I would say don't use it. I'll tell you
Okay,
why.
sure.
Because your brain is much more powerful than the calculator. You have to believe that. If you don't believe it, then it obviously will waste time. But then if you
Yep.
believe it, then nothing like it.
Yes, understood.
Okay, great. Varun, great. Let's go to the next one.
Yep, sure.
And as you can see, Varun, it's almost 1 hour 47 minutes today, and no problem, because of it was solely the internet thing.
Yeah, right. It's going good.
Yeah, it's going great.